20 years of work. I think it served 20 years, yeah, so that's pretty good. Hey, welcome to Fishbowl Production. My name is Suren. I just got a delivery of an LG fridge, and if you look inside, this is model number LFXS26973S/10. I ordered it from Home Depot, and I just wanted to do a quick video and show you what it looks like. I will put the dimensions for the fridge on the oh hey, that's my daughter there. I'll put the dimensions for the fridge on the video, but yeah, you know, I'll just have to measure it. I had it when I went to the store to get it, but I got a really good, I feel like I got a really good deal for this thing. I feel like I got a really good deal for this one. It was actually I think $2,800, $27.99 or something like that, and I actually ended up getting for, I believe, $18.99. I can check those and let you know as well. But it's a beautiful fridge. I had a GE profile before, and now I am upgrading. I am definitely upgrading it to LG French door. So it has these 3 sections, opens really wide, and yeah, so. All right, it does open really wide. Let me show you. Yeah, it opens really wide. 2 doors open 2 ways, and then you have these very good and sturdy racks. You can also adjust these racks right here. You can adjust these racks for sure. So we'll leave it like this for now. I think you can also individually adjust it, so you can have one up, you know, at this level, and then the other one at that level, depending on how you want to use the sections. Does have veggie compartments. This I thought was a cool feature. I believe you can store like a box of pizza or something like that over here. And then at the bottom is the freezer section, and it does have these big compartments, and then there's a thing for ice. You can actually my understanding is that it can make ice both over here and on the door. So this one is for, you know, like if you have a good number of people coming in and you want a bunch of ice ready to go, you have that. But you also have an option for ice right here, like you see cubed crust. Sorry for that, it's a little shiny. Cubed water and crust ice. And then there's your ice plus water filter. I think you can do something with the Wi-Fi. I have not quite yet you know, educated myself on it yet. There's a freezer, refrigerator. I'm guessing these are the temperatures you can set. So the freezer is set to 0, the freezer at the bottom is set to 0, and the refrigerator is this whole section on the top right here is set to 37. I think this is what my recommended temperatures were for the old GE fridge that just got taken out of the house. Fresh air filter, so, and then a lock. So I will do a separate video on how these features work, you know, what the and the water line is connected, by the way, so I can actually get water. If I can find a cup. Here's a cup, and if I do this, oh, I didn't have the door closed. If I have the door closed, okay, so maybe that's see that? That's a good stream of water. All right, I'm not gonna drink it yet, but here you go. It's like I said, I'll throw the dimensions on the fridge. One thing that, you know, one thing that we noticed when we you know, looked at the all of this fridge, you know, if you look at the dimensions, simply at what's written on the websites, it does make a difference if you want to. It's just something to be careful about. So what happened is, for us, the depth this way I think is about 25. The counter depth is about 25. And so this one, the depth of the fridge will show up as like crazy, 35, 33 or something like that. Mind you that that was actually including the handle. So, you know, in my math, I was saying, you know, it's not gonna fit because, you know, it's 35 and it will come too far out of the counter. Then, you know, my wife actually said, "Are you sure? Let's go to the store and actually measure it." So we measured using a tape, and when we measured it, this thing right here, the actual true depth is about, you know, a couple inches shorter, at least 3 inches shorter in this case, I think, because the handle comes out that way. It's about at 2.5 inches or so on the most protruding end. So anyway, something to be careful about, because, you know, like I thought we have windows on this side, so if the fridge comes way out, then I don't want to block the light, natural light that's coming to the kitchen. But that 3 inches makes a whole lot of difference. So then it was easy to make a decision after we had measured a few fridge that we had the specification from the website, went to the store, measured it, and we're like, okay, well, it does, the depth does include the little gap that you have with the handle. So just something to be careful about. But this looks like a really lovely fridge. The old one served the previous owner and us for 20 years together, for 20 years. And I'm really hoping this one serves us at a minimum 20 years as well. So we're loving it so far, but we just plugged in. And you know, I think we need to give it about 12 hours so we can so it starts making ice and everything. We are also given a number to call if there's a problem within 48 hours. If there's a problem, Home Depot has said that they will you know, they will replace it at no cost, zero cost to us. And I think that is including delivery and retail, taking this fridge if it's broken back and everything. So I like that. So I'm gonna keep a really close eye on it for another 48 hours. And then if all is good in 48 hours, the fridge is ours to keep and enjoy. All right. Hopefully you like this video, guys. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. And you know, like I said, I will create a video of this thing with a you know, expanding or explaining the functions a little bit more and how it's working out. Maybe I'll do like a couple months after. I'll probably do a follow-up update. Oop, that was loud. I'll probably do a follow-up update so you guys know how it's working out for me, because it is a big purchase for anybody. You know, it's a big purchase, and you know, we had to think about, you know, once our old fridge, it did not give up, you know, like right away, but it was starting to slowly die, like just, you know, like really slowly die. And we had about couple months to think about it, at least couple months to think about it. So so we had good time to research, and, you know, trying to find videos on products isn't that easy. So hopefully this will be one video on the on the whole YouTube space that actually will give you some insight. And if you found this video, then hopefully you have this was good use of your time. Like I said, there will be follow-up reviews in a couple months, which will also add to your knowledge of how the fridge works. And this is a thin Q, by the way. There's another one that is something else. It says, you know, there's a more expensive one, I think, but this is the one that says thin Q. And there's this beautiful light on the top. It's an LED light. There's only one, but I think it is just enough to get the whole fridge bright enough. And then you will also notice that for the bottom here, for the bottom here, I do not believe that there's a light inside, but I think what happens is there is a light there's a light right here, and maybe there's a light inside that I'm not noticing right now because it's so bright.
Hi guys.
Hi.
Guess what I have?
Oh, there you go. So if you, sorry, Mega, just 1 second, okay?
Okay.
If I open the bottom freezer section, there is a light right here, and that's what will light up the bottom section. So I wanted to make sure that I show you that. There's only one, by the way. There's not on the other side. There's only one on this side. There's only one on this side, and nothing on this side. Let's close it.
Guys, guess what I made?
What did you make?
Dun, dun, dun.
A tree? Is that a tree?
No,
What is it?
it's a makeup decoration, a hanging decoration.
Is that something for our YouTube friends? Is that for the Fizzball production family? Oh, that's lovely. I'm so happy that you made that for our family. Okay. All right. Please stay healthy and safe, and we will see you on the next video, guys. Take care. Bye.